In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use Monday Sales CRM. We'll start by logging in to your monday.com account. Once you're signed in, open the Sales CRM workspace. This is where you'll manage key parts of your sales process, including contacts, leads, deals, and accounts. Taking a moment to get familiar with this workspace will make it much easier to stay organized as you move through your daily tasks. First, click on Contacts. This section is used to manage customer contact information. If you need to create a new contact, click Add Contact, then enter the contact details carefully and save the record. It's a good idea to make sure the information is accurate and complete from the start, since this helps keep communication and follow-up efforts consistent later on. Next, click Leads to manage incoming leads. Here you can add a new lead or review existing ones already in the system. As new details become available, update the lead information right away. Keeping lead records current helps your team understand where each opportunity stands and reduces the chances of missing important updates. After that, go to Deals to manage sales opportunities. To add a new one, create a new deal and enter the deal information. Be as clear as possible when filling in the record so the opportunity is easy to track. Once the deal is created, assign it to the appropriate team member. This makes ownership clear and helps everyone understand who is responsible for the next steps. As the deal moves through your sales pipeline, update the deal stage so the CRM reflects its current progress. Now, click Accounts to manage company records. In this section, you can add new account information or update existing details as needed. Keeping account records accurate gives your team better visibility into the companies you're working with and supports stronger relationship management over time. To find information quickly, use filters and the search function to locate specific contacts, leads, deals, or accounts. This is especially helpful as your CRM grows and you need to access records more efficiently. When you find the record you need, open it to view and update its details. Finally, make it a habit to review the CRM boards regularly to track sales activity. Ongoing review helps you stay aware of pipeline movement, follow-up needs, and team progress. Most importantly, keep records updated as leads and deals continue to move forward. A well-maintained CRM is much more useful, more reliable, and much easier for the whole team to work with. Thanks for watching.